Hello everybody. I am back for our last unit of the day. So you guys know we just had our C collection of wigs. This is unit number 664, a 12-inch silky straight. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful the color is. And it has a new home. So it's no longer available and we're cutting the lace and it's leaving the store today. So as usual guys, we are here at Magic Hair Company. We're here currently, our current hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. And of course, we will gladly cut this lace for you, as I'm about to do in this video right here. So let me know if you guys have any questions. And yes, we're still having our 20% off sale online at magichaircompany.com. Let me know if you guys have any questions below. We do prefer that you make an appointment to come shop with us in store right now. So if you're looking for a wig store, if you're new to wigs, or if you've been wearing wigs for years, we have the perfect wig for you. We can really customize the wig for you. We're a custom wig specialist. My name's Janice. I am the owner. This is my business. This is my baby. You'll find me here many days. Let us know how we can help you. If you have any questions for us, definitely utilize the chat feature on our website, magichaircompany.com. That's the only place you can find wigs from us. I've been getting a lot of calls lately about, oh, I bought a Magic Hair Company wig on Amazon. No, you didn't, because I don't sell any wigs on Amazon. I only sell them here in store or on our website, magichaircompany.com. Definitely subscribe to our newsletter, because when we have sales and promotions, whether it's on wigs, color, hair products, our subscribers in our newsletter find out about it first. Now, if you're looking for a shampoo and conditioner to maintain your wigs and extensions, definitely pick up our keratin shampoo and conditioner here. It's 20% off, just like everything else is on our website. You guys like my sweater? I made it because, you know, I'm at home crafting instead of doing hair stuff. But if you have a business and you want me to put your logo on a sweater or a shirt, just send us a message and let us know. We're located in Culver City, California, which is like Los Angeles. All of our wigs are glueless, so you don't need to install them or anything like that. We'll definitely style the wig for you, add some bangs, add some layers. We do in-store custom coloring. This unit started out 1B, and our amazing colorist put this beautiful color in it. So if you want your wig blue, green, purple, we got it for you here at Magic Hair Company. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've cut this lace right here. This is what the lace looks like. It is a transparent light brown color. So, you know, if you lay your lace right, it's going to look seamless. And our wigs are glueless, so you definitely don't have to glue the wig down. And this is it. This is unit number 664. And yeah, this one's gone, but this is also available on our website. So if you would like this beautiful color or any other color you see, we have a great collection of purples, blues, reds, or of course, the natural color. Shop with us at magichaircompany.com, where we are your glueless, full lace, and front lace wig specialists, located here in Culver City, California. My name is Janice. I'm the owner, and we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you guys Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Bye.